So what are AI agents? AI agents are autonomous or semi-autonomous software entities that have the ability to perceive the environment and then to search for solutions on their own and then come back to you with an answer. AI agents, distinct from the rule-based system, operate autonomously and are designed to improve over time using machine learning techniques. So what's an example of an AI agent? So for example, if you were interested in traveling to, let's say, Antarctica, and you were interested in interesting things to do and see, and also the cost, what you can do is launch an AI agent that on its own will search the internet, will come back with the result for you, and then perhaps go and visit each tour operator site to identify the different packages that meet your particular requirement and optimize the cost for you. And then the agent might even go on and further plan your trip for you. So all of this requires AI and machine learning, and they can provide a great deal of value to human users.